Hi, I'm Susan Bush, a real estate agent with REMAX Capital Properties in Cheyenne, Wyoming. I've been a realtor for 5 years. I'm licensed in both Wyoming and Colorado. This has been a huge advantage for my clients recently, as we are seeing an increase of families moving from Colorado to Wyoming for several reasons. Quality of life, the decentralization of workforce, and schools. If you are considering a move, I am able to help you sell your current home and buy your next one. Our market is moving so fast, you'll want an agent in your corner with experience to negotiate on your behalf with multiple offers and juggling the details that occur when moving between states or in the same town. It's a great time for sellers to list because you are going to get top dollar for your house since there is low inventory and a huge pool of buyers. And buyers, it's a great time to buy because interest rates are at an all-time low, which means less interest you're paying for your house, and this will increase your buying power for the house you can afford. If you are wondering where you stand with equity in your home and how your credit looks for qualifying, please give me a call to schedule an appointment. We can sit down to go over questions without any pressure. I'm here to guide you through the process while we establish a long-term real estate relationship. You've got a friend in me. The great thing about REMAX is that we are not just local, we are state to state, national, and even international. So anywhere you go, you will have access to the same top producing realtors focused on you and your needs. You can reach me at 970-518-2678 or online at susan.cheyenneHomestore.com.